In a bowl, combine a 1/4 cup unsalted butter, a 1/2 cup curd, and 1 cup powdered sugar. Mix well until combined. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix thoroughly. In a separate bowl, sift together 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Mix the dry ingredients until well combined. Gradually add a 1/2 cup milk to the mixture and fold gently to combine. Add the remaining a 1/2 cup milk and continue folding gently until smooth. Pour the cake batter in a greased 6-inch cake tin lined with parchment paper. Tap the tin gently to remove air bubbles. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Once baked, let it cool slightly. Insert a toothpick, it should come out clean. Remove the cake from the tin, peel off the parchment paper, and let it cool completely. For the chocolate ganache, in a pan, off heat, combine 1 cup milk, 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cornflour, and a 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Mix well until smooth. Place the pan on medium heat and stir continuously for 4 to 5 minutes. When the mixture thickens, add 1 teaspoon butter and turn off the heat. Once the cake has cooled completely, level the top by cutting off any dome. Prepare a simple syrup by dissolving 1 tablespoon sugar in water and brush it over the cake. When the chocolate ganache has cooled to room temperature, pour it over the cake and spread evenly with a knife. Clean any excess ganache from the sides. Refrigerate for 3 hours before cutting. Enjoy your soft and delicious chocolate cake. The texture is perfectly soft and spongy. Best enjoyed while still slightly warm. Please like, share, and subscribe to P. Butt's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.